Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is the second part of the video as I promised before. So again इस war में हम देखेंगे how to best play some of the great defenders, especially in tier 1, and how you can play them so safe that these fights appear to be very easy. Like तुम इनमें सिर्फ एक गलती कर सकते हो and you would end up dead. So it's me showing you how to play these fights super safe using the right amount of boosts. Even तुम मतलब ज़्यादा boost भी लेके जा सकते हो being super safe. So we have our first fight here and this is my Captain Marvel and we are going against this guy and he's dead like in 17 hits. So this is tier 1 guys and 17 hit में we are able to finish that champion. So it's super easy. Now we have Doctor Doom on powerful from afar, Spite. So this is a difficult fight, trust me. अगर हाइपीरियन अपना स्पेशल ना फेंके और स्पाइट है मैं क्रिटिकल हिट्स मारता रहूँ he will be at SP3 in a matter of seconds. So this is me playing it super safe, going in and throwing my SP3, and yeah, this is how I play my alliance war, like super safe using the right amount of boosts. And like Doom is a tank, so even if he throws SP1 or SP2 on my face, I don't think so I'll die because I am super boosted. As you can see, my PI is 21,000, he is like 28,000, so not that much of a difference. So yeah, it's going good. So 46 hits and he's dead. So that was some powerful from a fast Spite, and again we have the Guardian here. So मैं इधर कैप्टन मार्वल को लेके जाऊंगा and इसमें काइनेटिक ट्रांसफरेंस है. So मेरा गेम प्लान बेसिकली यही है. Before he reaches his SP2, I want to kill him. SP1 तो चलेगा मेरे को, SP1 में मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, मैं डेक्स कर दूंगा. SP2 सेफ रहता है अलायंस पर में ब्लॉक करने के लिए क्योंकि इसमें मल्टीपल हिट्स होते हैं. एंड इफ ही ब्लॉक्स, सो इसने क्यों लगाया है यहाँ पे कि ताकि SP2 में ब्लॉक में खाऊँ, वापस SP2 पे आए, फिर मुझे SP2 मारे, चेन हो जाए, SP3 पे पहुँच जाएगा एंड देन ही विल किल मी. सो वैसा होने नहीं दिया. SP1 डेक्स किया पूरा, चार्जेस बिल्डअप किए कैप्टन मार्वल से एंड आई फिनिश्ड अप द फाइट. सो yeah, this is playing it as safe as possible. I could have taken this next node as well, but I thought yeah, let's wait out. But link हटने के बाद usually go in and play those fights. But yeah guys, as I told in my previous war video as well, use the right amount of boosts, use the right champion, and just think in your mind before starting a particular war कि इस वॉर फाइट को मैं कितना easily ख़त्म कर सकता हूँ without giving a kill. So that is the most important part. Without giving a kill, how you can close out the fight. And obviously using boosts like 15% attack or 20% health these days is not a big deal. अगर someone is playing arenas, अगर आप arena खेलते हो regular basis पे, you're getting these resources like on a daily basis. So मुझे कोई problem नहीं है. Now this is the next fight. I'm not that used to quaking. Truly speaking, मेरे को थोड़ा बोरियत मारती है without just go and parry dex. So I do get hit couple of times if I try to play with. There you see me, I got hit and that boost, indestructible boost, किसी काम की नहीं रही मेरे. But now I thought yeah, if I keep on screwing like this, I'll die to this warlock, which I don't want to. So now I'll be just going for parry heavy method. So that I'm super comfortable with. उसमें कोई problem है ही नहीं parry heavy में तो. But the real quaker in my opinion is a guy who can just like have expertise in two ways. One is heavy only and the other is heavy dex. So I'm like 80% comfortable in heavy dex. Heavy only मुझे नहीं आता है. There are very limited amount of people who can do that like Munash. And now you have another good defender over here, Terex. So Terex में basically अपने को करना ही क्या होता है कि till his rock shields or whatever it is called is not expired, you should not touch him. And obviously I have brought in magic for this fight, so I'll just go on and power lock this guy. So main बात इसमें यही थी कि जब तक इसका rock shield expire नहीं होता है, just wait it out because तुम्हारे पास limited amount of charges है इसमें. If you see on the left hand side of magic, there are those light charges, heavy charges, medium charges. So once they are out, so she'll be like on a power drain. So this is a good placement. If you are bringing Doctor Doom, you are screwed. Doctor Doom is fight ko nahi le sakta hai. He's a this Terex is a metal defender, and like he cannot power drain Terex. So Magic is the perfect champion. Quake is the perfect champion for this one. So we have another fight now here. Again, it's against Hyperion. So I find Hyperion on path number 8 most commonly, and if you have Doctor Doom, you don't really need to be like challenged, or I would say you don't really need to be afraid. SP1 रखो minimum अपने पास. If he is reaching to SP3, just power drain him. So it is like redouble determination, and rich gets richer, powerful. I don't know what hell node there are, but the only problem on this node is not just his power gain, but if you see, you are heal blocked and you are getting weakness. So what happens is तुम्हारा जो total attack है that falls off with time. So you have to really manage his power and the number of weakness debuffs on you. So the best thing to do is SP3 chain of Doctor Doom. So you'll get 2 Furies, and once you do that, eventually your opponent should be dead. That's what I'm doing here. Heavy, just going in, doing a couple of heavies, and just cycling my SP3s again and again to get those Fury charges, which should easily negate the weakness that I have. And also it helps in like throwing off the weakness debuffs that were on me. So yeah, that's another fight in the bag. And the next fight you see is a good one. So why it is a good one? Because I saw Taters, the guy from 4 Loki, their officer, was melted by her. So that's why it's a very tricky fight. So like my golden tip for this fight is, if she reaches 2 bars of power, just keep standing still. Do not dex. Hold your block, she'll not throw her special 2. Just get to 1 bar of power and drain her. Because it's like if she has like 3 or 4 prowess buffs, she is unblockable. So uska SP2 evade karna aata hai mujhe, but Alliance War mein it's risky. And as I have been saying, I do not like to take risks in Alliance War at all. So there you see me, I change my masteries quickly. I will be going in with Doctor Doom. I just check if I have everything that I want. Like I'm going in with more safety in this fight. I don't want to get melted. So this is rich gets richer. So when she has prowess, she'll get more power, and it will be like extremely difficult for me to manage her power if I am above 2 bars of power. So there you see, I'm just trying to get her SP1 out, and yeah, I'm nullifying her prowess now, and the goal is like get to 3 bars of power and melt her. But the best thing to do on this node is SP1 पे SP1 factor off. What that will do is it will nullify her prowess, it will give you 1 bar of power, and you will always be like in a reach कि हाँ अगर ये 2 बार of power पे पहुँचती है तो I will be able to do like SP1, and I'll just take out the power. So see, it was so simple, and it could have gone sideways very quickly, and her SP2 is unblockable, so she'll definitely kill you for sure. So yeah, that's how I dealt with that particular fight. And now you have node this path 9 guillotine, so you cannot parry her at all. So I'm just going in and I'll try to do some heavy. I'm hitting in her block. I was a bit afraid she could have gone in this phase where you cannot touch her. I don't know what it's called, I am forgetting a bit, but yeah, you see me here. I'll be throwing my SP2 only after I hit her with a heavy so that I cannot miss her. It's her camouflage or something that comes on and you cannot basically hit her. So there you see me. I once the parry timer was off, I parried her, went into a heavy and then SP3. So she's almost dead, and that was fun. Like it's a good placement, no doubt, but when you have Captain America and when you are patient enough like this, I'm waiting for the parry timer to go down. So I'll again heavy it and I'll try to finish off with the SP2, which I do here. So you see, it's so damn easy if you plan the fights right in your head. And PBT, mind you, is a tier 1 alliance, so great placement, nevertheless. And now this fight is Warlock versus Black Widow on buffet, so she can regen if I dex. Also, there are other nodes, so my game plan here was just to heavy parry and heavy, and that should be enough. So the only thing to consider here is if she evades you, do not attack her like this. I'll just go back. I'm not going to touch her. Parry and hit once maximum, because if she evades you, she can go into a 5-hit combo. And यार इसका जो डैमेज है ना, जो शॉक से आता है, that is unbelievable. She is one of the most underrated champions and I love playing with her. Like I take her into AQ as much as possible and she melts like mini bosses super easy, except Doom is shock immune, so उधर काम नहीं आती है. बाकी मिनी हो गया तुम्हारा Annihilus पे ले जाता हूँ मैं तो इसको, और मेरे पास कंप्लीट कर देती है easily. So I really love Black Widow Deadly Origins, and you see that fight. That's how I, keep fights simple because I plan them in my head before I go into the fight. Like I want the fight to go like this. And now for some mini action, we have this Vision Arcus. So I'll be taking it with it's on a hazard shift, and I don't know what to call that, Scaffold to पता नहीं क्या ही नाम है इस नोड का यार. बेसिकली ध्यान क्या रखना है कि ये स्टार्ट होता है इंसिनेट फेज पे, फिर चेंज होता है पॉइजन पे. स्टार्टिंग में वेट आउट कर लो, नहीं तो जल्दी जल्दी स्वैप कर दो पॉइजन नोड पे. यहाँ पे गलती करी मैंने, मेरी बहुत पुरानी फाइट है माइंड यू. तो अभी मैं क्या करता हूँ, इस फाइट के लिए पॉइजन फेज आने का वेट करता हूँ और फिर तो कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है. 5 हिट मारने के बाद एंडिंग विद मीडियम, तो चेंज हो जाता है अपना फेस. पॉइजन में आ जाओ और बस, फिर तो कुछ है ही नहीं फाइट में. नाउ आई एम वेटिंग हियर. मैं उसको मार ही रहा हूँ क्योंकि वो इंसिनेट फेज में है और मैं पॉइजन मोड में हूँ. जैसे ही वो पॉइजन में आया, मैंने अपना 5 हिट कॉम्बो करके इसको पावर कंट्रोल किया. एंड इट्स सुपर सिंपल. लाइक विजन आर्कस इज अ ग्रेट प्लेसमेंट ऑन दिस नोड, बट ब्लैक विडो क्लेयरवॉइंट, आई हैव हर एज अ रैंक 3, and with boosts and mystic dispersion there is no chance at all that I'll die to this guy. So there you see me playing it super safe. I can take a bit of block damage, chip damage, whatever you call it, but yeah, I ensure that fights are done in the bag. So yeah, thanks again guys, thanks for tuning in. This is episode 2. Catch you later. Please like and subscribe. Take care guys.